Are you a blogger or a content writer and are suffering from a writer's block, or you do not want to write content for yourself and also don't want to spend enormous amounts of money to hire content writers? Then I have a perfect solution for you. This particular software is called Content Blogger. It is a content spinner software that will help you generate 100% unique content which is completely unplagiarized. All you have to do is put in a keyword that you want to write your content about, and it will automatically generate the content for you. If you already have some content written, this software will rewrite it and make it human readable. If you do not have any content written, no issues. This software will create 100% unique content for you according to the keyword that you have put in. A special feature of this software is that it can convert any video on the internet into a text format that you can directly use as a blog. This software creates content that is 100% copyscape past. Now, who can use this tool? This software is for anyone who wants to write unique content. It is for those lazy people who want to write 100% unique content with just the push of a button. This software can write SEO optimized content that can help you to get on the first page of Google. You must be wondering what the price of the software is given the features that it provides. Let's review all the value that you are getting. The features that this software provides is worth more than $1,000 of value if you compare it with other softwares. But guess what? This software is worth just $17. Yes. You will be getting this amazing software at just $17. I don't think you even have to think twice before purchasing this software. If let's say you go on Fiverr and hire a content writer, he or she will charge anywhere from $10 to more than $100, but you're getting this software just for $17 and you're getting an access to it for lifetime. So now this software has 2 upgrades. What you're getting in this software is you get a developer's license, that is, you can sell the generated articles and you can publish it to unlimited sites. You can schedule your posts, and this upgrade is worth only $37. The second upgrade is called Artify. In this upgrade, you get thousands of ready-made articles, you get new Defy content, and one-on-one priority support. This upgrade is also only $37. If you're a newbie and you have just started writing, this software is definitely for you. Now, if you want to purchase the software, there will be a link in the description below. If you purchase through that link, you're not just getting the software, you will also be getting the special bonuses from me. You will be getting this exclusive WordPress plugins that you can use to design your site and make it a complete full-fledged website. In addition to that, you'll also be getting some special bonuses, which includes the Webby app that will turn any WordPress site into a full-fledged mobile app, UltraVid that will create video sites complete with monetization in just one click, FB Vidmatic that will create entire fully monetized sites out of Facebook news feeds, and Vidlock, which is a premium WordPress plugin that will let you capture leads and make more sales by locking your videos until visitors perform a certain action. So you will be getting all of these goodies if you purchase the software from the link that is given in the description. So you will not just have this software, but everything that you will need to create a complete site and start your online business. Now let me show you how the software works. So this is actually the beta version of the software. This is not how the actual software would look like. So you get 2 options, blogs and videos. So if you type in a keyword here, the software will give you 100% unique content on that keyword. The same way you can put in the keyword in the videos section, and the software will look for videos on that keyword on the internet and will convert that video into a text format that you can use. Now if you come to options, you have the feature to write your ignore words and your stop words. The software will give you many articles that you can choose from, and you're getting the software just for $17. So if you would like to purchase this software, please make sure that you click on the link in the description below, because when you do that, you will not only get the special bonuses that I have talked about, but if you subscribe to our mailing list, we will send you weekly free stuff like free ebooks, PLR articles, promotional offers, and blog articles. So make sure that you subscribe to the mailing list as well. And if you liked the review and found it useful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We would be uploading more such videos in the future, so stay tuned.